Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the TRW pads used in the video by clicking on the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever. And open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. In order to change the rear brake pads on your vehicle, you must first lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels to gain full access. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels. Raise the rear of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stance. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. For vehicles equipped with an electric handbrake, you need to put the brake caliper in maintenance mode using a diagnostic device. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Put an Electric Handbrake into Maintenance Mode. Loosen the brake caliper. To do this, use a 13mm spanner as well as a 17mm spanner and remove the caliper mounting bolts. Once you have removed them, this will free up the brake caliper. You can now remove the caliper. You need to check the proper sliding of the caliper mounting bolts and the condition of the protective rubbers. If they show evidence of wear, it is advisable to replace them with new ones. Remove the pads. You can slip them off by pushing them away from the disc. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Using a wire brush, clean the edges of the brake caliper mount where the brake pads go.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the TRW parts and products used in the video in the link in the description. Take the new brake pads, install the support, and anti-vibration plates. Insert the new plates into the clevers by clipping them in. Put the brake caliper back in place. And screw in the caliper mounting bolts. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. It is now time to reactivate the electric handbrake. For this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Put an Electric Handbrake in Maintenance Mode. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. Before starting your car, don't forget to screw the brake fluid stopper back in. Be careful. Before using your vehicle again, start your car and pump the brake pedal a few times to bring the brake pads together again. Try to drive smoothly and avoid sudden braking for the first 50 kilometers or so to avoid glazing the new pads. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.